Hello, everyone, and this is Reggie with another video, and I'm doing a review on the Midea wash machine, the new Midea washer. Midea is a company that sells major appliances and air conditioning units. So they have a lot of cookware too, with a lot of sponsorship by major chefs and stuff like that. So let's check it out and see. So let's check the video out. Oh, I like the music. Oh, oh. Like their stainless steel gentle cleaning, two-stage laundry dispenser. Okay. So we're gonna look at the video and I'm gonna give you guys a commentary on it, on what I think from a technician point of view. Okay, backlit panel, very thoughtful for darker laundry rooms. Oh, that sells me right there. That slow release lid. With a gentle release lid. Okay, so that was dope. All right, so how do I feel? So first thoughts, I'm thinking heavy duty by looking at it. It reminds me of old school Maytags, Samsungs. There's a lot of Samsung here, and it reminds me of the big heavy duty look that the old Maytag and Frigidaire washer and dryers used to have. And so let's go inside this tub and look at it. So as a technician, the first thing I'm thinking of is uh, consumer usage and how people will abuse these machines. So, with abuse, how would this stand up to abuse, right? My only concern with unusual abuse is these little blue tabs here that's used to clean your clothes. Uh, it's kind of cool. I see it kind of lets water in and kind of allows a lot more friction with the water and clothing to get them clean. Concern is if people are washing rugs or sneakers, something like that, and these things get broken or punctured, I can see these cutting your clothes. So definitely, if you have one of these machines or looking to buy one, you want to just you just want to inspect it to make sure. And these should be pretty inexpensive to replace. And great, and the great place to get Midea parts is Encompass. Description is below. Uh, Wide selection of Encompass parts of Midea parts. Excuse me. Okay, so big tub. That's always a red flag for me as a servicer because that says fill me up, and people will do that. You don't want to fill it up just because you got the room. So anyway, let's just a quick addressment of low profile agitator. So this wash plate in the middle. It's called a wash plate agitator, and this is what cleans the clothes. Old school ones would have a agitator in the middle, impaler in the middle, and that would traditionally scrub your clothes. So one of the biggest complaints is people say, "Oh, this doesn't get my clothes clean." It's how you load them. So if you got a low profile agitator here, you no longer have that plastic piece to scrub your clothes. So now what you have to do is instead of dumping your clothes in there and them laying on top, layers on top of each other, they're going to clean that way. You got to ball them up and roll them up and put them in there one by one. And that way, the new agitators, so to speak, will be the clothes rubbing on each other. Now, that just takes you back to old school, predating automatic washers and dryers, where people used to go to the lake and with a bar of soap, and they would put soap on the clothes and scrub the clothes together, right? So it's the same action now. So, but you got to remember, you can't just dump. They didn't go to the lake with all their clothes and start just they're rubbing them together one by one individually. So same concept. Just make sure your clothes are separated when you put them in there. So I like the stainless steel. That's always a good thing to have. I love the ergonomics of the design. Looks is very efficient for getting your clothes clean and getting that water passing through those articles of clothing. Also, a quick tip: if you notice here, as a technician, this caught my eye. See if I can go back and get a better picture of it. Your bleach dispensers here. Remember, if you make a mistake and put fabric softener or something like that in there, I believe this is a bleach dispenser. I can't see it, but most likely it is. This is a bleach dispenser. Bleach goes in there and it pours in this little gray lip inside. That's like a little bowl, and that allows the bleach to go inside the outer tub, so it won't splash directly on your clothes, and it dilutes the water dilutes the bleach. Problem is when people put detergent or fabric softener by mistake, it doesn't get diluted because there's no water running through here. And what happens, the uh, fabric softener or detergent clumps up, hardens, and then you put bleach in there, and the bleach just sits. So what happens? You go to wash your colored clothes. They wash. This thing hits the spin cycle, it vibrates, and this bleach is still sitting in here. It splashes over and will stain your clothes. So keep that in mind. All right, let's keep going. I love the two-stage dispenser for detergent. That's great. So I guess all your you won't have too concentrated amount of detergent inside the water. So it is two stages. So I guess at halfway point it puts more detergent inside of the water. So you won't have a super concentrated. It's good for your clothes. So you won't be so you won't have like a stickiness or a stiffness in your clothes because it's properly diluted. Love this tub design. It's awesome. Very heavy. Looks very very heavy duty. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so let's move on. I love the fact that they're uh, it boosts the cleaning part and reduces odor. I can see that happening with this design. I like the fact that it pushes the water upwards. That is more efficient from when cleaning clothes. Lots of settings. Love the tub clean feature. I recommend using vinegar to tub clean. I love the backlit control panel. This is great for dim laundry rooms. Or, as a technician, I know we've been in plenty of laundry rooms that don't have lights. Bad for us, but it's good for you for if you have a backlit panel, you're actually doing laundry. So, and again, Encompass has all the parts for Midea. So check out the website. If you are a servicer, go email me and I'll hook you up with a wholesale account. That's what you deserve if you are a part appliance servicer. Excuse me. And all that is below in the description. So let's go to this. Oh, this lid, man. This really look at this. Oh, I gotta play this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that lid was nice. Why is that important to me? Because before this would slam down on a lot of machines. This just slams down. It puts so right here is your switch, your lid lock, and the lid locks are one of the highest ordered parts for servicers because these things get slammed down or it locks and people yank on it. But as far as the wear and tear from this thing slamming down, it reduces that. So all those mechanical parts inside that lid lock won't be as affected by this thing slamming down onto the lid lock. So also these joints over here on the side gets kind of wear and tear gets put on those too from this thing slamming down. So it's nice that this is easy and gently closing. That's awesome for that machine. So we got Billy there loving his clean clothes. Uh, and these are machines. I'm going to do one on the dryer also. I'm a fan. I love how they look. Very heavy duty looking. Even as a technician, I like it looks very heavy duty. They stand tall. They're tall. They remind me of the old school heavy duty machines. So it gets a thumbs up from me. And again, if you have a Midea machine or you're a scratch and dent dealer, you can order your parts from Encompass. Prices on the website are retail. If you are a servicer, email me for a wholesale account. We'll get you hooked up. Any questions, put in the description. This is Reggie with another video, and I'll see you next time.